In a significant move, the Tamil Nadu Assembly's legislature parties convened on Wednesday and unanimously resolved to intensify the state's legal efforts to secure an exemption from the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, NEET, the nationwide entrance examination for medical courses. The resolution, tabled by Deputy Chief Minister Udyanidhi Stalin, underscored the state's unwavering commitment to challenging the imposition of NEET, a policy Tamil Nadu has long opposed due to its perceived adverse impact on local students, particularly those from rural and underprivileged backgrounds. The decision entails ramping up efforts to pursue a plea already filed before the Supreme Court in 2023, which seeks to abolish NEET's applicability in Tamil Nadu. Additionally, the state is prepared to file a fresh petition challenging President Draupadi Murmu's recent withholding of assent to the Tamil Nadu Assembly's NEET exemption bill, originally passed in 2022. The resolution emphasized that these steps would be taken after thorough consultations with legal experts to ensure a robust case. The meeting, however, saw a notable absence of the principal opposition parties, the All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, AIADMK, its ally Purachi Bharatam, and the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, all of whom boycotted the proceedings, drawing sharp criticism from the ruling Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, DMK, coalition. In his inaugural address, Chief Minister mkstalin outlined the DMK-led government's relentless efforts over the past 4 years to secure an exemption from NEET through legal and legislative avenues. He accused the union government of obstructing Tamil Nadu's aspirations by refusing to grant assent to the state's NEET exemption bill. NEET is not an unchangeable mandate. It is being pushed by the union government under the influence of vested interests pursuing selfish motives, Stalin asserted. He further highlighted ongoing Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI, probes into complaints from multiple states about irregularities and unfair practices in the conduct of NEET, lending weight to Tamil Nadu's grievances. Later, in a post on X, Stalin took a swipe at Governor R.N. Ravi, calling him a puppet of the union government for stalling the NEET exemption bill. He drew optimism from a recent Supreme Court verdict, dated 9 April 2025, regarding 10 bills readopted by the Tamil Nadu Assembly, stating, "We will continue our legal battle until justice is delivered." In a veiled jab at the AIADMK, he added that the people of Tamil Nadu had seen through the intentions of those criticizing the government's stance, expressing confidence that the state would ultimately triumph in its mission to eliminate NEET. Health Minister Ma Subramanian, addressing reporters after the meeting, emphasized the consensus among the participating legislative parties. Representatives spoke at length about the irregularities and challenges posed by NEET. They have pledged full support for the government's legal initiatives, he said. Subramanian also accused the AIADMK and BJP of being complicit in NEET's introduction during their alliance, suggesting their boycott stemmed from reluctance to oppose a policy they once endorsed. Law Minister S. Regupati echoed these sentiments, pointing out what he described as discriminatory treatment by the union government. Institutions like JIPMER and AIIMS have been exempted from NEET, but Tamil Nadu's pleas are ignored. Why subject our students to such hardships? He asked. Regupati highlighted the achievements of doctors educated in Tamil Nadu's government schools, who have excelled nationally and internationally, arguing that NEET undermines the state's historically strong medical education system. Regupati also referenced the controversy surrounding NEET PG in 2024, when the qualifying percentile was controversially reduced to 0 across all categories, triggering widespread criticism. He reiterated a long-standing demand of Tamil Nadu's political leadership, the restoration of education to the state list from the concurrent list in the constitution, which would grant states greater autonomy over educational policies. The boycott by the AIADMK, Purachi Bharatam, and BJP fueled political tensions. Regupati accused the AIADMK of prioritizing its potential alliance with the BJP over the interests of Tamil Nadu students. They don't care about NEET exemption because their focus is on political alignments, he remarked. Subramanian added historical context, alleging that NEET's introduction in Tamil Nadu was a legacy of the AIADMK-BJP partnership, which explains their hesitance to back the exemption now. The meeting saw participation from a broad coalition of parties supportive of the DMK's stance, including the Congress, Communist Party of India, Marxist, CPM, Communist Party of India, CPI, Pattali Makkal Kachi, PMK, Marumlarchi Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, MDMK, Viduthalai Chiruthagal Kachi, VCK, Muslim Munnetra Kazhagam, MMK, Tamilga Vetri Kazhagam, TVK, and Kongunadu Makkal Deshya Kachi, KMDK. This unity underscored the widespread political backing for Tamil Nadu's anti-NEET campaign. Tamil Nadu's opposition to NEET dates back to its implementation in 2017, with critics arguing that it disadvantages students from rural areas and government schools, who lack access to the expensive coaching often required to crack the exam. The state has historically relied on Class 12 board exam scores for medical admissions, a system seen as more equitable. The DMK, since returning to power in 2021, has made scrapping NEET a flagship promise, reflecting the sentiments of a large section of its populace. The NEET exemption bill, passed by the Tamil Nadu Assembly in February 2022, sought to replace the national test with a state-specific admission process. However, it faced delays at the governor's office before being sent to the president, who withheld assent in early 2025, prompting the current escalation. The CBI investigations cited by Stalin involve allegations of question paper leaks, impersonation, and other malpractices in NEET's administration across states like Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Bihar. These developments have bolstered Tamil Nadu's case, framing NEET not just as a local grievance but as a national issue riddled with systemic flaws. With the Tamil Nadu government now gearing up for a multi-pronged legal offensive, building on its 2023 Supreme Court plea and potentially filing a new one, the battle against NEET is set to intensify. The state's legal strategy will hinge on proving that NEET violates federal principles by encroaching on states' rights to regulate education, while also highlighting its detrimental effects on equitable access to medical education. As 9th April Supreme Court ruling on the readopted bills offers a glimmer of hope, Tamil Nadu's leadership remains defiant. For Chief Minister Stalin and his administration, this is not just a policy fight but a moral crusade to protect the future of the state's students. Whether this resolve translates into a landmark victory remains to be seen, but Tamil Nadu's stance continues to resonate as a powerful challenge to centralized educational mandates in India. Subscribe to AK Matrix today for in-depth analysis, powerful narratives, and the latest updates on issues that matter to you. Hit that subscribe button now and join the movement.